Today, we will be walking through how you can enroll in benefits in MyBenefitLink. First, you will be prompted to verify both your contact information and input any missing information needed. While some information is optional, any required fields that are missing will be highlighted. Next, you can view, add, or remove dependents as needed. Missing information such as an email address, although dependent email addresses are not required, can be entered to complete the dependent's profile. Dependents marked with a caution icon indicates that their profile is incomplete and requires attention. Any dependents that were not already loaded into the census can be added at this stage in the process as well. Dependent Social Security number, name, and date of birth are required to add a new dependent. Once you have confirmed all the dependent information, you may now begin the benefits enrollment process. The benefit enrollment process is broken down by the different product types offered through your employer. You can easily enroll in or decline coverage for yourself and your dependents. Plan summaries are available, as well as a downloadable PDF of the policy's SBCs, or Summary of Benefits Coverage, or SBC. These SBCs are available in the system and can be downloaded or emailed out to clients as well. If you choose to decline coverage for yourself or dependents, you will be prompted to provide a reason for doing so. If you have other group coverage, you will be required to provide the insurance company name and policy number. Employer-paid benefits are clearly identified, so you can easily see which coverages are provided at no cost or if any payroll contribution applies per pay period. At this stage, please designate your beneficiaries for your life insurance coverage. You can select from your listed dependents in MyBenefitLink or enter a different individual. You can name multiple primary or contingent beneficiaries, provided their total allocation equals 100%. Any additional documentation required to complete your enrollment will appear here. Lastly, you will be required to provide an e-signature to finalize your enrollment. Once completed, you will receive a summary of your coverage elections along with the total cost of coverage for you to review.